Mia and the Lost Star Child. Mia loved exploring the whispering woods behind her house. One sunny afternoon, while chasing butterflies, she stumbled upon something extraordinary. Sitting beneath a giant oak tree was a small boy with skin that shimmered like stardust. He looked lost and a little scared. "Are you okay?" Mia asked, her voice full of concern. The boy looked up, his blue eyes wide with uncertainty. "I'm lost," he whispered, his voice barely audible. "I don't know how to get back home." "Home? Where is your home?" she asked gently, trying to understand. "Up there," Orion said, pointing to the sky. "Among the stars." Mia gasped. A star child? This was going to be an adventure. "Don't worry," Mia said, her voice full of confidence. "I'll help you get back home. My grandpa always said it could guide anyone anywhere." They set off into the woods, Mia leading the way with her compass held high. Orion followed closely behind, his eyes wide with wonder. The compass spun wildly, pulling them deeper into the enchanted part of the forest. Strange flowers glowed in the shadows. They came to a clearing where a portal shimmered, swirling with colors like a cosmic dream. "Is this it? Is this the way home?" Mia asked, her voice filled with awe. Orion nodded, his eyes shining. "But, how do we get there?" Mia wondered, looking at the swirling colors. Orion held up his glowing crystal. "This will guide us," he said. "It knows the way." Taking a deep breath, Mia stepped through the portal, Orion right behind her. They found themselves on a floating island made of stardust, surrounded by twinkling stars. "Welcome home, Orion," a voice called out. Star beings with shimmering wings greeted them. Orion ran to his family, his face beaming with happiness. Mia smiled, her heart full. Mia waved goodbye as the portal shimmered shut. She knew she would never forget her adventure with the Lost Star Child.